How do I open a Relay bank account? Hook. Have you ever been frustrated with the traditional banking system? Maybe you've been charged exorbitant fees, or you've had to wait in long lines just to deposit your money. If so, you're not alone. Millions of people are looking for a better banking experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Relay bank account. Relay Bank is a new kind of bank that offers a variety of benefits, including no fees, no minimum balances, and 24/7 customer support. Context. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the benefits of opening a Relay bank account. No fees. Relay Bank doesn't charge any fees, including overdraft fees, monthly fees, or ATM fees. No minimum balances. You don't need to maintain a minimum balance in your account to avoid fees. 24/7 customer support. Relay Bank is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. High interest rates. Relay Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts and CDs. Mobile banking. You can manage your account from anywhere using the Relay Bank app. Main content. Now that you know the benefits of opening a Relay Bank account, let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Relay Bank website. Go to https://relayfi.com and click on the Open an Account button. Step 2. Fill out the application. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Step 3. Verify your identity. Relay Bank will use a third-party service to verify your identity. This will typically involve answering a few questions about your credit history. Step 4. Fund your account. Once your identity has been verified, you can fund your account. You can do this by transferring money from another bank account or by using a debit card or prepaid card. Step 5. Start using your account. Once your account is funded, you can start using it right away. You can use the Relay Bank app to check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills. Additional tips. If you have any questions, you can contact Relay Bank customer support at https://support.relayfi.com/hc/n-2719619-talk-to-our-customer-experience-team. You can also find helpful information on the Relay Bank website, including FAQs and tutorials. Relay Bank is a member of the FDIC, so your deposits are insured up to $250,000. Conclusion. Opening a Relay Bank account is a great way to save money and get the banking experience you deserve. I hope this video has been helpful. Call to action. If you're interested in opening a Relay Bank account, please click on the link below. End script. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.